Today on In the Woodyard, we're gonna do some work in Ken's woodyard. He's gonna do what? We're supposed to get 8 inches of snow today, and I wanted to get pallets down before the snow, because once it snows, then I gotta plow.
So you're gonna put some screen down?
We got the mill felt. I got piles of that all over. We're gonna get that run down. I'm gonna go grab some pallets, and we're gonna run out, I don't know, at least another 24 feet, at least up to here, ahead of this snow. And hopefully it's gonna be light enough snow. I got a big backpack blower. I can just blow it all off.
Yeah.
But I want to get it before the snow's down.
Right.
So now we're in the middle of the snow, we're slacking. So, because eventually I'm going to have wood piled all the way up to that International up there.
Yeah, all the way to the truck, yeah.
But we got other things to do today, but I want to get this little bit thing done before the snow comes heavy. It's supposed to snow all day.
Yep.
So.
All right, let's get doing stuff.
Okay. These are just kind of scraps and odds and ends. When I first started doing this, I only put it on the outside of the pile to keep the grass from growing up. Right. But now I got full rolls back here. But I'm just gonna piece these all together just to use them.
What you found out is you put the pellets on top of this, the pellets don't rot.
The pellets will last longer. They still rot,
but not
as fast. Because the water goes through this just like a screen.
Right. Well, it is a screen.
Basically, it is a screen.
Yep.
So yeah, I didn't know what these pieces were till I dug into them up there. But so you can see, this has all got the whole length of this. You know, this piece here this is one piece, and it goes down the length of this. And I have enough.
Tell people what this is. A lot of people won't know.
Well, it's mill felt.
Which is what they use for making paper.
Yeah. I wish Eric was here to explain it better. But
yeah, I have a brother.
He's a paper maker. So this come out of the mill. It only lasts long, and then they throw it away. So luckily, I got him for a brother, because when they're making paper, the pulp, the slurry, basically it's like oatmeal or finer than that. You get sprayed onto this,
right,
and the water goes through. And this is going through all these rollers with steam and pressure. I mean, I'm doing a poor job explaining, but basically, this is like a screen on your door. You can't tell, but water goes right through it. But it holds the solids that's in the slurry.
Yeah.
That's what gets pressed into paper. And then they add clay, they add chemicals, they add But this is what's running through a paper machine, Google paper machine.
Yep.
They can explain it better than me, but it works really good for this.
Right. A lot of people use this for like landscaping or for
like
base for
people
under
that
rock.
people that go camping.
Right. Yeah, it's awesome stuff.
We used to use it when we had to cross the swamp. We'd put it down before we put down our rock,
Yeah.
so it would hold gravel.
Right. Right.
So, but I have quite a bit of this, luckily.
Yeah, I got an order in. He hasn't supplied me one yet.
Well, I got it all. I got enough to go from here to that truck up there, no problem. And it lasts quite a while. I mean, it doesn't really rot. It's some kind of nylon stuff. This actually, you cut it with a utility knife. If you stub your toe on this, it's going to cut you like a knife. This is like a almost like a saw's edge. It'll cut you.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we got to unroll this. Back over here when we're done.
Oh, it's going to cover the top.
Just to keep it covered. Saves the pallets from rotting. So once again, it's always a jigsaw puzzle because every pallet is different than the other.
Right, some of those pallets are crap.
Some of them are junk.
Yeah. That's why I've been getting more selective. You get those ones with little popple and they're spaced
When I got
apart.
these, they said come and get them. They loaded me with a forklift. Some of these, I don't know. Well, I'll do something like that over there. Is when I put my tin on, I'll throw that on the tin,
Right.
and then throw a couple railroad ties on the top of the pallet that holds my tin on.
Right. Because
So they'll still get used, but they suck for on the bottom.
They can't support much weight.
No.
You step on them, they break. And
Yep. So we got 6 different sizes here. This one's too long because I need to put an end on here. So the only way I can do that.
yeah, what we need to do is this one.
Make this the end.
Either that or look, this one could go over there because it's shorter. You could overlap that, and then this one come over here. So
So these are.
you want to get another end? You got
Might end up cutting one of these other pallets off to get it the right length. A lot of customizing goes. I'm just going to use this up because it's been blowing around back here for a while. Better. So 24 was right here. So this is going to be too long, I bet you. I might have to cut some of this pallet off.
yeah, just this end right here probably.
Put her up there to see where we're at. I don't care if it's 25.
You're 6 inches over. Right here's the mark. So
Let's measure. Yeah, if it's 24'6", that's fine.
Yeah, that's what it's going to be.
That's just fine.
Well, we can move this end down a little.
Yeah, it's 24'8". Yeah, if we can come that way, I can. I don't care if it's a little extra long. That's better than short. Now we can get rid of a couple inches. So bring this down. And that's fine. I'd rather have it 6 inches long than 6 inches short. So I don't have my screw gun and stuff with me today, so at least we got this down.
Yeah, just getting it down is good.
Now it can snow all at once. I don't care.
So the reason you did this today is you got a buttload of snow coming. You want to get this down.
We're supposed to get 8 inches of snow.
Right, so you can not have to plow and
Yeah, then
put
I got
this
to
down.
plow everything before I ever do anything. It's just a pain. Winter sucks.
Yep.
That's why we sell wood, though.
That's why we sell wood, exactly.
So now I'm ready to put another. This is 24 feet long, so a little over, but 5 rows. What am I thinking here? It's 3 times, so I'd be 15 face cords here, 5 full cords.
Yep.
So that's what will fit here.
Right, and you still got space down there to
Yes,
plow too.
so I got that separated because this end is maple. Where the broom and the shovel's leaning there, that's oak. So as we go through the pile, coming off the splitter, I sort it. That's why the splitter's kind of in the middle here. So if I have oak, I throw it that way. If I have maple, I throw it that way. Right now, there's a lot of maple coming up, so this will get filled, and we're going to end up moving down there, and the oak's going to get just thrown to the side because I need that much oak to finish them 2 rows. And it's in a pile. It's just going to take a while to get to.
So another job we got to do is this thing.
So this, we had some issues with this metal wood. I don't know if you can tell, but
Oh yeah, there's all kinds of notches
I've been
with it.
finding stuff. I've got a whole pile. Should we
Well,
drag
we'll
that
go over
off?
that. We'll go over that some other day when we come and grind this puppy. But that's going to be in another video. We'll grind that baby down and show you some.
I didn't want to fix it until I was done with the metal wood. I'm pretty much done.
Yeah.
My best find was a fork, like a fork you eat with.
Yeah.
I got it all sitting on top here
We'll
someplace.
show you that in another video in another day. Right now, we're going to go make another video. The next video we're going to do is bundling.
I think I'm gonna go hook up the dump trailer.
Yeah. We got a plan. Wait till you see it. It's going to be on tomorrow's video. Or the next day. One of the days.
One someday, yeah.
So that's it for today, folks. You know what to do. Poke some buttons. We'll be back tomorrow doing more work at Kenny's place because I'm free labor, so he wants to get as much as he can out of me.
Yeah, I want him to fill these pallets while I'm sitting at home watching TV, right?
Exactly. Poke some buttons. We'll be back tomorrow.
Good night, Irene.